I'm back at Kroger's. So I'm picking up my click list this time. So this should be coming out shortly. Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am back with a haul. I am back with a grocery haul from Kroger's, and I got just a couple of items at another store, two other stores rather. But I'm going to go ahead and get into the haul. My total was $97.33, and I got this on the click list, so I just picked it up, and I have another video on that, so I will link it at the end of this on how to do the click list if you've never done it before and are interested in doing it. It's very convenient, and it's worth it. I think it's worth it. So anyway, here we go. From Kroger's, I got the paper towel. I have 6 rolls of paper towel. These are like $3.69. And so that's a really good deal, I think. And they're strong. They're good as any other paper towel. So I like those. The milk, I got 1 milk. It was $2.59. The spaghetti, I think that was $1. Syrup, $1.59. I had a coupon for that. I think it was 40 cents off. I got some peach Snapple tea. And my husband likes that. I like it too. I started liking it too. So it's good. Got some hardwood smoked bacon, some chicken legs, some turkey, 1 pound of ground turkey, a bulb of garlic. Got some honey and 2 tomatoes. I surely miss my garden, y'all. I surely miss my garden for those tomatoes. They are too expensive at the store. And then they weren't as good either. And I know that, you know, it's out of season for tomatoes, but yeah, they're kind of mushy at this time. Got 3 bananas, so those will have to ripen up. Got 2 Honeycrisp apples. Got some green onion and some kale for smoothies. Got some cilantro, fresh cilantro. Got some broccoli, fresh broccoli, some iceberg lettuce for salads. Got some grapes. They were $1.99 a pound. Got 2 little rolls of biscuits, 2 packages of biscuits, 3 of the Yoplait yogurts, and I got 2 strawberries and 1 of the strawberry banana. Got some fresh strawberries. Also got some margarine. We have butter too. We already have butter in the refrigerator. I told you I stocked up on that at Christmas time when they had it on sale. Got some lemons. Hubby is home sick now, so I got some lemon for his tea. And I'm going to make a concoction later with this and some honey and some other stuff. So I will show it to y'all and let y'all know if it worked, okay? For like flu and cold. All right, also have some grapefruit and 3 oranges. I actually got 2 grapefruits. My husband had already eaten 1. Got 3 oranges. Got some chicken breasts right here. They were on sale for $4.99. That 3-day sale they have going on. The expiration is Friday on these. So if you haven't gotten the Kroger's, go get you some. You got to download the coupon though. Got some tilapia. Got 2 mixed vegetables. Got some Doritos. They were on sale for $1.49 with the download. Got some eggs, a dozen eggs for my husband and son. Got some just 1 loaf of white bread. And I got 3 of the taco seasoning packs. Got some jumbo semi-sweet chocolate baking chips. Y'all, these are so good. I eat these by themselves sometimes. When I want chocolate and I shouldn't be eating a lot of chocolate, but I just want to taste some, this is good. This is really good. I also got one of the Hunt's pasta sauces in traditional. I already have some in the cabinet, so when I'm ready to make spaghetti or whatever, I have that. Got some green chilies. Got a thing of corn muffin mix. I might make some cabbage and sausage because I already have some cabbage. And I have some pulp-free orange juice, mild taco sauce. I got 2 diced tomatoes, 2 right here, and then 1 of the diced tomatoes with green chilies. I got 2 chicken noodle soups because, like I said, hubby's home, not feeling well, so I got some more soup. And from Sam's, I got these blueberries, big thing of blueberries. And then I have from the Dollar Tree, I also stopped by the Dollar Tree, this was earlier, and got some buns because I forgot to put them on the click list. Yes. Also from Sam's, I got a rotisserie chicken for dinner. So we'll be having rotisserie chicken and mixed vegetables and probably some rice. So that is my haul, you all. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all had something special from Kroger's going on, something on sale at your local Kroger's, please let me know. We probably have different sales. I'm not sure if they're different city by city, but let me know if there's something special that was going on I may have missed. All right, y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.